Hey everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart. I'm doing a destash. This is video number 3 of 3 of my destash. It's US only, PayPal only, friends and family, because I'm selling this really cheap. Everything is being sold and shipped priority flat rate mail because I can print those labels at home so that all I have to do is just run into the post office and drop them off. I don't have to stay in the post office for any amount of time for safety reasons. You know, I have been very good about being in my home. I've been like 100% in my home. I have actually had all my groceries delivered. The only time I've really left my home is really just not even pick up groceries. I've actually had them delivered. I've been very, very paranoid about this pandemic. So my boyfriend has a heart condition. So he is very high risk. So I've been very diligent about being safe. So if that's a concern, just know that I've been very, very safe because I don't want to get him sick. And I've been home. I'm a teacher, so I've been home. So anyway, it's going to ship when I can get to it. So it's probably going to be this week and maybe next week because everything is really, really heavy because I have 12 in total. So this one right here is $60. It's the most expensive one that I have because it is all La La Land kits, and two of them are completely brand new, never used. And this one is brand new. This is the April 2020. I just got it like a couple of days ago, and it is the pizza one. It's Marcy with the pizza stamp, and you get all the dies and everything. You get the entire kit. It's just not my cup of tea. So this is what you get. So you get those pieces. And this kit costs me $39.95 plus shipping. So this kit alone costs, that I was billed on a few days ago, cost me $47. And so I'm selling the whole thing for $60. So I think it's a pretty good deal because I still have to pay, shipping. So I got that kit. This kit also has never been used. This is the December 2019. This is the Fight Cancer one. So I've got the breast cancer one. So I've got that one. Let me move this over so you can see what you get. So this is what you get in this kit, and it is, these are hard to get unless you belong to the kit club. And again, I paid, $39.95 plus shipping for these kits, and I just never used it. So it's just kind of what it is. So there's that one, and then this one, I have used this one. It's June 2019 kit. It's this Fiesta one. And then this one is just, you get these dies, and then it's this stamp set. So this is $60 shipped. And this is number 9. Okay, so this one is going to be number 10. And this one is $40 shipped. Everything out. Okay, so you get this Avery L Fun with Letters. Then you get this CC Designs and Die It's Clowns. You get this one, which is, these are Darcy's. This one's called Soar. You get this one, which is this Baby Shark one, and you also get the flat back tin bins. I've got this one, which is Happy Easter, or Hip Hop. Hip Hop is what it's called. Let's see. You get this one, which is this cute shell one, plus the tin pins. And this one, which is this Funny Bunny, plus the tin pins. Try to put everything neatly back so that less work for me. It's a lot of work getting all this stuff together. Okay, so This Frankenstein and the tin pins, this Yeti and the tin pins, this cute Fix-It and the tin pins. And this is number 10, and it is $40. Oh, I lied. I think I've got 13. Number 11. Okay, so this one's 40. This one's $40. Yes, this one is $40 shipped. I think this one's a really... I'm sorry, this one is... yeah, this one's $40. I'll make them all $40. Okay, so you get this big one from My Favorite Things. You get this grid one from Simon Says Stamp. You get this turnabout from Concord and Ninth. This one's called Darling Petals. You also get Easter corns. These are from Crafty Desert Divas. You get this one, which is Brewed with Love. You get this Spellbinders stamp sets. You get this little Inkers Easter one. You get this Inkers Christmas one. You get this, this is Crafty Desert Divas, this little bear one, along with this die. You get this Sweet Tooth, which also includes dies. You get this Merry and Bright, and you get this Tailored Expressions Home Run. And this is $40 shipped, and it is number 11. 10, 11, yeah. Oh, I guess I have 13. Okay, so this one's also $40. All right, on here, that this is number 12. So I'll have 13 of these bags. Okay. I've got Dear Friends from Darcy's plus the tin pins. I have this cute one with the tin pins. It's called Stay Sharp. I have this little Hoppy Cupcake and 2 things of tin pins. And then I've got this Happy Mail and the 2 things of tin pins. I have this baking one with the tin pins. And then I have a bunch of Stamping Bella. And then this one right there. And then there's a whole bunch of ones in here. You can see this is like a surfboard one. This one is unmounted. The rest, I think most of them are mounted. That one I've mounted. This one. And I got this one. Okay. So that is $40 shipped, and I'll flat rate. Okay, so this one is number 13. I gotta write that I have a 13. And it's $40 shipped. This is the last one that I have. And these are all, I think, Darcy's. And most of them are brand new. So just so you know that most of them are brand new. I've got this, let's see. I've got this one, which is Ghostly Greetings. I have Happy Camper, which includes 2 tin pins. I have this cute one, which is called Crabulous. Like I said, these are brand new. I never even used this one. This one was Two Can Do It. Best by Par. Cray Cray. This one, which is Raining Rainbows and Tin Pins. This gnome one and the gnome tin pins. This one is Inky Antics, actually. And then this one right here and the tin pins. That one's number 13. It's $40. Again, I have been very good at being quarantined. So if you have any concerns about the safety, let me know. But yeah, we've been really kind of in the way here. So anyway, email me at scoop71@yahoo.com if you're interested in any of the 13 boxes, bags, whatever that I have for sale. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Praying at the Heart.